Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, in network technology, we had started OSI model, that is Open System Interconnection. Now, in that, there are 7 layers. I have already explained 2 layer in detail. That layers are physical layer and data link layer. Now, today I am going to explain you another layer of OSI model, that is third layer of OSI model is network layer. Now, as we discussed in previous video, like physical layer represented bit, data link layer represent frame, and network layer is responsible for delivery of individual packet. It means it represent packet. नाउ इट मीन्स नेटवर्क लेयर पे जो डेटा बनता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम पैकेट बोलते हैं. सो हियर नेटवर्क लेयर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिलीवरी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल पैकेट फ्रॉम द सोर्स to the destination, right? It means it deliver individual packet to source PC to destination PC, right? The network layer is responsible for the source to destination delivery of packet, right? It means no intermediate node, it directly deliver source to destination delivery, and of course it deliver packet from source to destination, and it is possibly in between multiple networks. It means, like I already explained you that data link layer is deliver the packet between two system in the same network. Why? Because data link layer work on physical address, but network layer work on logical address. It means it can pass packet between multiple network, right? Like network layer कहाँ पे वर्क करता है, कौन से एड्रेस पे, लॉजिकल एड्रेस पे, और डेटा लिंक लेयर फिजिकल एड्रेस में वर्क करता है. फिजिकल एड्रेस कब यूज होता है, जब एक ही नेटवर्क में मैसेज सेंड करना होता है सेम नेटवर्क में, तब फिजिकल एड्रेस मतलब डेटा लिंक लेयर यूज होता है. बट अगर नेटवर्क टू नेटवर्क, राइट, आउट ऑफ और नेटवर्क मैसेज सेंड करना है, देन यहाँ पे नेटवर्क लेयर में जो लॉजिकल एड्रेस है वो यूज होता है, राइट. सो हियर द नेटवर्क लेयर एंश्योर दैट each packet get from its point of origin to its final destination, right? Now suppose if two systems are connected to the same link, then there is usually no need of network layer, right? Because at that time the important layer is data link layer. But if the two systems are attached to the different network with the connecting devices between the network, right, then there is often a need for the network layer. Why? Because of source to destination delivery. Now here I represent some diagram that depict the relationship of network layer to the data link layer and network layer to the transport layer. Now other responsibility of network layers are, first one is logical addressing, the physical addressing implemented by the data link layer, right, as I already explained, and it handle addressing problem locally. It means in the same network, right? But if a packet pass the network boundary, it means if we want to send a network to another network, then we need another addressing system to help distinguish the source and destination system, right? And the network layer add header to the packet coming from the upper layer, it means transport layer, and among other things it include the logical address of the sender and logical address of receiver, right? What is logical addressing, that I already explained in previous video, right? Now the second function is routing. When independent network are connected to create internetwork. Internetwork means network of network or a large network. Then the connecting device is called router or switch, right? That all are connecting devices that connect the device different. So these device route or switches the packet to their final destination, right? So here two main function of network layers are logical addressing and routing. Now here there are three protocol of network layer. First one is IP. It means that is internet protocol. Now what is the use of internet protocol? That internet protocol or IP protocol is the principal communication protocol in the internet protocol suite, right? Now second one is ICMP. Now what is ICMP? ICMP is a internet control message protocol and that error reporting protocol. And last one is ARP protocol, that is address resolution protocol. Now address resolution protocol is a communication protocol used for discovering the link layer address such as MAC address or associated, or it can be associated with a given internet layer address. So that is ARP. Now the network layer devices. First one is router. Now what is router? Router is a networking device that forward the data packet between two computer or between two computer network, right? Now second one is router. Now router is a combination is bridge and router. So a bridge router or a router is a network device that work as a bridge and as a router, right? So router क्या करता है? Router route the packet for known protocol and simply forward all the packet as bridge would do, right? Now next one, that is third one, is layer 3 switch. Now what is layer 3 switch? It is also a switch at layer 3, that is network layer, that can perform routing functions in addition to switching, right? स्विच जो वर्क करता है उसमें एडिशन में वो राउटिंग भी परफॉर्म करता है. सो हियर वी डिस्कस डिवाइसेस, प्रोटोकॉल ऑफ नेटवर्क लेयर एंड फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ network layer. Now if you have any query, please message me. Thank you.